This is the town of Layton. If I'm not mistaken, there's another RV resort coming up. Yeah, traffic picked up a little bit. It was down and now it's up. Mile marker 69. Yep, here comes the campground. Guy from Woodhaven stays there. Kevin. This is about 45 miles from where I stay. Pretty sure. What is it? No, this ain't it. It's bait. I thought this was the campground. Live bait. That's where you come and get your bait. Repairs ahead, use caution.
I believe this is the campground.
Yeah, I think this is it right here on the left. Mile marker 70. There's definitely a turn in. That's it. It's called Fiesta Key. Bar and grill, live music. It's exactly mile marker 70. Okay. So I got that on video. Looks like we got some more road construction. Bike paths are pretty good up here from what I can tell. There's a dust cloud.
What the hell?
Hopefully it's just work going on.
Yeah, we want that.
Look at that
all
dust.
over our camper.
What is he doing? He is
Mowing.